Di na kailan sa'yo ay kasi sa tuwing magtatalo ang ating paningin sa mata makikita ang aking damunan. Miss Arlene, thank you so much po ha. Kuya Ro, maraming salamat. Ayan, thank you si Raybons, si Bro Gary Vlog. Automatic ko na dyan pa. Tords, maraming salamat po. Nag-text, maraming salamat sa inyo. And maglaso na tayo guys ha. Hanap ako dito natin. Yes. So, yes, ito na guys. Phil, maraming salamat. Sino pa si Phil? Okay, Phil. Sino pa si Phil? Okay guys, para po sa inyo lahat guys ha. Love po sa inyo guys ha. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng support niyo guys. Si Raybons, kaya lang sa Raybons, ang LSD ko kasi si Raybons is parang tulog ako niya si Raybons. Pagkaiba tayo ng oras sa Raybons. Sana mo makapunta ko siya. Pero yung kamay ko guys na manhid. Last song natin. Maraming salamat po palang ha. Love po sa inyo lahat. Thank you so much po. Oo, baka nga. Baby frozen, it was hard through the years. I'll never give up, never one of my dreams. And deep inside, is my love still alive? And God only knows that I can't let you go. When I'm alone, it will be for better. I gave you my heart forever and ever. No one can never hold you more than I do. No man can never love you, no. No one can never hold you more than I do. You came to me from heaven, girl. It's true. And if I ever lose your love, if I ever lose your heart, oh baby, I'm dying for your love. Thank you so much sa sa pagdalaw ha. Thank you po. Pero maraming salamat. Appeal, thank you so much. Nag-text, thank you so much. Miss Arlene, thank you so much po kang matek. Maraming salamat sa Gong Turner Vlog Video. Thank you so much sa inyo guys and viewers. Sa pumunta tagtagpay. Tagtagpay, maraming salamat po. Baby, now I'm alone. And I try to be strong towards Ate Emma, but my baby, I must cry, siding tears without crying. And I can't hold on to the feeling that's gone, and there's nothing to lose, cause I'm playing this game. When I'm alone, it will be for better. I gave you my heart forever and ever like that. No one can never hold you more than I do. No man can never love you, baby. No one can never hold you more than I do. You came to me from heaven, girl. It's true. Gusto mo to. Ayan, sasayaw ako sa badyo. Okay, sige. Last song? Celos? Okay. Sabi ko last song na ito, aking ano. Ang dami ko talagang fan talaga. As in. Oh, ang dami. Ang pula. Wala pinagpantal ko. Hanapin ko. Nag-iisa lang naman yun na mo. So, hanapin ko yun. Tingnan natin. Sige na gate. Celos. Gusto mo tumayo ako lang. Pero wag na. Celos. Palasong natin guys sa Celos. Requested by Miss Food Wanderer. Nagatext. Ano natin guys, hanapin natin ang Celos. Last song, Kuya Rom. Tuwang-tuwa si Kuya Rom. Favorite song ni Kuya Rom. Okay, Kuya Rom. Love. Kuya Rom, thank you so much po. Favorite ni Kuya Rom to. Sige na. Kasi mayaw ka na dyan lang kasi